All right, 1 2 1 2, testing my microphone. I do not know if this is working, but I hope it is because this is definitely a critical moment. So, hello, welcome everyone. For now, there's absolutely no one in this stream. I'm talking to myself, which is quite fine. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna record it in that case, and I'll be checking back in for a few times in the coming minutes. All right, so we finally have ourselves a pumping Shiba Inu. And that definitely sounds very weird, but finally, guys, finally, it is trying to break out. It took itself how many days? Let's have a look here. So it took 4 days. Uh, Previously, it was actually hitting a so this is a support level of 554, and this is like 1 millionth of a cent or whatever. This is really, really small. Let's see here. So it looks like this is definitely going to stay at the current resistance level at 917 units, approximately, guys, approximately. So for now, this is what it looks like. And by the way, guys, if you are new to the Crypto Intel channel, well, in that case, be sure to hit that subscribe button because we do tons of altcoin reviews and price analysis and also price predictions. Of course, this is only my opinion. Always do your own research if you are getting into crypto because, as you know, as I always say on my channel, your grandmother knows better. You should better ask her. That way you'll have the proper reply for when it comes to investing in crypto. Don't only base your opinion on me. Always have a look at other YouTube channels if it's a good idea or not. So at this point, the Shiba Inu is at, my God, this is like a millionth of a cent, unfortunately. So the trading volume for today is $328 million, which is huge, right? Finally, it did break out. So if we have a look right here at the volumes of what exactly is going on, so we have approximately $1 billion in volume traded for the past 4 days, which is not that bad. It did cross a few, as you can see here, cycles of sell cycles and buy cycles. So if we actually have a look and unzoom just a little bit for the week candlesticks. So let me see here. All right. So right now, as you can see, we are sitting at 923, which is good. It's still pumping, although we are seeing weird trends coming and forming. So let's just analyze this 1 minute behavior right here. All right, so let's see. The biggest purchases were done right here. This is what got it responsible for this huge bullish run. We can see this insane bull run, and then unfortunately it already lost in the past 50 minutes approximately. It did lose about it lost maybe, whew, yeah, that's like 10% approximately, maybe a little bit less. Sorry, let me just calculate this for you guys so that I do not say weird numbers. So 925, that was the biggest. No, it was actually at 1000. And then, wow, it dropped at 1000 all the way to, yeah, so it did lose approximately 10%. So even 11% was lost, which is incredible in a couple of minutes. Can you imagine that, guys? If you place $10,000 just in a few minutes, you lose 1000. That is crazy. That is crazy. So, yeah, and by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. Again, guys, be sure to always have your second opinion from other YouTube channels. I'm a crypto enthusiast and I trade since 2017. Just in case you didn't know, I do anywhere from 30 to 40 flips on a daily basis, and I can do anywhere from 1 to 2% on a flip. Basically, that means that I can easily do anywhere from 30 to 40% on a daily basis in gains, and I definitely want to show you how I do that, guys. So please be sure to stay subscribed to this channel. All right, so what will happen here? Well, at this point, you can clearly see that we have a downtrend in tradings. So currently, there's a lot of people right here that took their positions when it came to the pump. So let me see here. So let's get back to the view right here. So if we zoom out just a little bit, if we get it to the 5-minute candlestick view, So you can see that there was this huge tower, and currently there's a another retest for the upper limit. So guys, this is definitely what we call a huge pump. Obviously, you know that, but what happens to huge pumps? Well, you see you have these receding triangles right here forming, and this triangle, what it will do is it will try to test the previous resistance level at the top right here, so 950 units. So it will be testing and testing until it either breaks out, either it keeps on falling just a bit, and then there might be a fall and a pump and a fall and a pump and a fall and a pump, and then it should stabilize approximately guys, approximately at around like 800 or maybe even like 790. So this is what is awaiting the Shiba Inu. So if you are holding it, I would definitely recommend you guys to maybe sell 50% of it if you're unsure if it's gonna pump or jump. Pump or dump. That way you will actually save a lot of money. And here's the thing, guys, like normally with huge purchases like these, so we're seeing here a purchase of 200 billion, no, sorry, 2000 billion. So is that like 20 trillion or 2 trillion? Yeah, 2 trillion Shiba Inus that were traded in the past 3 hours, guys. So if you have so many Shiba Inus being traded, well, guess what? Normally, there is definitely going to be an unfortunate dump happening, and this dump is probably going to hit somewhere around, as I said, like 790 units, because this is way too small to tell you the amount in dollars, and I don't know what's a billionth of a dollar. So definitely a huge pump. So right now it's actually touching upon the previous support levels right here that we had. So this is definitely interesting, guys. It might be redumping itself and giving you a second chance of taking the Shiba Inu onto the rocket course. And guys, by the way, I did a video right here. It was 15 days ago, and the video is named Shiba Inu Update, Shiba June Predictions and Analysis. So I'm actually predicting how it will hit approximately 2,400 in the month of June. And if you want to hear that prediction from me, you can check out that video. It had not too many views, but oh my god, once this is going to be picking up, well, that video is probably going to become popular because it looks like I am the oracle of many different altcoins. So guys, if we check out what is going on, we see here a beautiful reversed logarithmic equation right here going on. It followed its path very, very well. And normally, when this actually breaks out, there's a pump. And this happened again. So this is normal behavior in crypto. So what I'm predicting is it's probably going to hit somewhere around the 2000 mark, so anywhere from this spot around here. So this is where it's gonna be heading towards in the next couple of days, guys. So this means that it will be redropping a little bit. So like today, it might be giving you guys a chance to get a little bit more of the Shiba Inu, and then it might go ahead and retest its levels until it breaks out yet again. Guys, if you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the live stream if you're new. So full ratio is saying it's pumping. That's right, it is pumping like crazy. Guys, if you have any questions related to the Shiba Inu or maybe any analysis, technical analysis questions, let me know in the questions section in the live chat, so that way I will be able to reply to you. So let's have a look again at what the hell's going on. So if we check out these cycles that happened, we definitely see very, very important cycles going on. Huge purchase orders for the first pump, and then we had a huge sell dump right here going on, and then it just kind of grew into less and less interest over time, simply because it was going down for a long time, right? And people don't want to lose money. So this volume trend right here, it went bonkers until the end. Finally, we got a breakout here, but be careful because we do have 3 days of purchase pumps. So this is, or sorry, 4 days. So currently I'm sitting on the daily pumps. And if we switch over to the weekly candlesticks, so finally we are at a cycle of buying. And it definitely looks like this week is going to be great for the Shiba Inu because we had this huge, let me just zoom in because we're looking at something super small. Okay, there you go. So check this out, guys. You see right here, this pump, the red pump, this was the past week. So things got to give, right? So what I mean is that, look, we had a lot of purchases and then it kind of equalized right here with the sales. And then finally we got tons of purchases. So again, the equalizer is this sales. And then to equalize the sales, we got a little bit more purchase orders coming in. So we do have to fill this spot right here. Let me just rezoom in a little bit more. This is the maximum that I can do. So check this out. So we gotta kind of climb until here to actually equalize this red volume sales candlestick for the sales volume. This is the unit sales volume, guys, just in case you are wondering. So what do you think about Matic now? Well, vitamin C, the Matic is definitely on a very good run, although this is a live chat for, unfortunately, the Shiba Inu, so I will get back to that in another video. But vitamin C, just to tell you, it did had a nice breakout, but check out the pump, okay? From my memory, if my memory is correct, the pump, the first one right before, it looked like this, and now it's going like this. So be very, very careful. It just means that it's weakening right now. Hopefully this answers your question. Vitamin C. So let's get back onto the Shiba Inu. And for those of you that are holding it, well, good job if you got it at like, 500 or maybe like 550 actually, because this was the smallest amount at which it actually dropped to. It was something like 550 right here. So yeah, what is the road for the Shiba Inu? Well, guys, there's definitely a lot of potential because it literally fell out of the sky, right? So we're talking about a drop of approximately 5x, right? Because it did go from 5,000 units all the way to approximately 1,000 units at this point. So because the drop was so big, the rebound effect will be also big. And I think I actually checked it out with you guys on a few episodes before, but have a look at other crypto assets that kind of had the same type of mentality when it comes to the drop. Check this out. So this one dropped like crazy, right? So we had the drop right here. This is the hard protocol. So it dropped, it made a small pump, and then it did the triangle. So for example, this is the pump, and then it triangulates into a price agreement until finally there's a breakout if the Bitcoin is going well. And then again, the triangle forms, and then again, the triangle forms until we have different cycles finally coming into play. And at this point, guys, like the Shiba Inu doesn't necessarily have has any cycles. So this is what makes it a dangerous crypto asset. There is no way of knowing exactly how many cycles it went through and what is the next cycle that's coming up for the Shiba Inu. So let me just switch over to the Shiba Inu yet again, just to show you what I mean. All right, so as you can see, it's just dropping. And the microcycles that we see, well, they're down below, right? So this is definitely the Shiba Inu according to the USDT. So we got like a bunch of little cycles here, but for now they don't mean anything. It's way too early. Like this is just a bunch of days. And let me just switch to the weekly candlesticks yet again. And let's explore a few other tokens that have gone and fell off the skies. So let us see here. Wow, well, this one is a great example. This one's also new. So this is the AR Weave. This is, I think, a privacy protocol. So it's still in its nascent state right now, still looking for a cycle. So let's see here. Okay, this one also dropped like crazy. This is also in a nascent state and definitely a good investment for the potentially upcoming months. Let's see here. All right, so this one's a good example. Check this out. So imagine that you don't see any of this area right here, right? So you just see this. So it looks like the Shiba Inu, right? Because it dropped all the way from approximately 35 bucks all the way down to like $7. And this is a 4x drop, guys. So basically, it's like a zoom out of what could happen to the Shiba Inu. Although, you do know what the Shiba Inu is, right? It is a spin-off of the Dogecoin. And they're trying to basically create wealth inequality for everyone. So that is their mission. It sounds a little bit communistic if you ask me. Because if we're all rich, then who will mop the floors, huh? Who will, throw your garbage out? Who will, teach your kids it's cool? Who will take up the jobs? No one. So we kind of need that disparity in pricing, unfortunately, to create jobs and to create businesses. So going back to the Shiba Inu, as you can see, even though there are different projects at play, well, the Shiba Inu still kind of is seeing the same type of pattern that the bouncer here is going through. So it dropped like crazy and then it pumped almost 2x of its initial value. So if you're catching it when it's falling at a 5x ratio, then if it bounces back 2x, then you made yourself 10x in total. This is great, right? This is great. So this is the potential of the Shiba Inu. And again, guys, be sure to have a look at my other YouTube video that I have created regarding the Shiba Inu. I think I did like 3 videos where I told you guys that it was gonna burst. And it's finally pumping. The moment is finally here. In just one day, it gained 30%. 30%, guys! So there's definitely a lot of potential. But I do see one danger with the Shiba Inu, and it is the number of circulating coins. I think it is 1 quadrillion tokens for the Shiba Inu, which is really a lot. And basically, with that many tokens, you would need a lot of people to invest in the Shiba Inu before actually seeing a huge mega pump. So, and we're talking about like many weeks and months before this actually happens. So there might be like a few boom and bust cycles, something like this, So it really depends on how well the Shiba Inu gets adapted in the coming months. And we will be seeing that through, Twitter and all of these CoinDesk and Cointelegraph news outlets. They will be talking about the Shiba Inu pump in the coming days, guys. So this is definitely something to watch out for. So let's see here. There are questions coming up. So how is the SHIB faring? Would it hit 25? So are you talking about 25 bucks? Nicholas, you are definitely very optimistic. Please let me know in the comments if you are talking about $25, because I definitely think it will not hit 25 bucks. Unless you're talking about like 2.5 cents, well, we're still really far away from that, considering the fact that there's currently still 5 zeros in front of the 9 on the Shiba Inu. So, do you think the STPT will go up? Oh my god, hey there, Rolf. Just a moment, I will reply to you. Let's see if there's any more Shiba Inu questions. Okay, 2.5 cents. Well, my god, Nicholas, we're still extremely far from that, right? Because look at the current price. There's 5 zeros in front of the Shiba Inu. So basically, to hit 2.5 cents, it would need to like 1,000x itself, or even more, like 10,000x almost. Guys, no. Like, to answer your question, no. Absolutely not, Nicholas. Forget about that. Oh, okay, you mean 2,500 units. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Considering the fact that, well, actually, this is what I predicted right here in this video. It was made, as you can see, 15 days ago. I told you guys that it could hit the 2,400 units in June. So yes, in that case, Nicholas, definitely, absolutely, it could. But this might happen at the end of June, and you gotta give it some time to pump. I don't know if it actually answered your question, and actually before it pumps to 2.5 units, whatever, it's the same thing. Be careful, because it's gonna redrop to its previous support levels. So be very careful. Let's see here. Is it still a good time to buy? No, Jesus, no. Jesus, it is a very bad idea to buy it right now. Let me tell you why. Check it out. Right now, it's currently testing after this huge mega boom. And these types of booms, Jesus, well, no, I'm talking to you, Jesus. This is very rare. Normally it happens like once in maybe 2 weeks after a mega drop. So this is definitely not a right time, because you see it's testing itself after a mega pump, and normally when it's testing its limits so many times within a specific time frame, for example, now we're looking at the minute candlestick, this means that it has been around for already like 30 minutes trying to test it. So this definitely is a signal for it to probably drop, unfortunately. So it will be dropping something like this. And it will be hitting, unfortunately, the previous level, but then it will re-explode, but very, very slowly. It depends on how many people want it at a discount. You gotta check out the volumes right here, my friend Jesus. All right, Jesus, I hope this answers your question. So if it's still a good time to buy, no, you gotta wait just a bit. Okay, this is my answer for you. All right, let's see. What does Akshat asks? So we have thoughts on CHZ. It's pumped quite a bit already, so I cannot talk about other coins for now. What is the price for the other two coins listed? How does SHIB compete? So which two coins are you talking about, Ugraj? So tell me, Ugraj, what other coins are you talking about? The Doge, or which ones? All right, so I'm gonna try to answer the top level questions. Let's see here. We got Rolf asking, is the SDPT still gonna go up? It went up to 2,400. Okay, 3 coins have listed on Coinbase. Well, please let me know the codes of the coins. Thank you. And okay, I see that John. Hey, John, how's it going? Welcome to this live stream. I'm glad to see you here. By the way, guys, John is actually a Patreoner. So I'm super, super happy to have him in this live chat. Thanks, John. All right. Also, for your next vid, could you cover Paul's? Yeah, absolutely. If Paul's is available, I think it is. Paul's, yep, it's here. Definitely, I'll make a video, no worries. It's coming up. Hey, Beak, thanks for joining the live chat. All right. So, guys, let me do a small recap of what the hell's going on with the Shiba Inu. It has pumped like crazy, as you know, that's why you're here. And it's currently testing its new limits. So far, it is a very, very bullish test. As you can see, the triangle goes this way. So it's definitely a bullish test. Now, sometimes it pumps like this and then it goes like this. So this is a bearish kind of test where it goes kind of like this, like this, like this. And it tries, it's trying to find its previous support level, and then it doesn't have it. So it just keeps on falling. So far, we have really good signals from the market. So let me see here. Guys, stop asking about other tokens. I'm doing the Shiba Inu live episode. If you have any questions about the Shiba Inu, let me know in the comments. That would be definitely helpful for everyone listening in on this live episode. All right, so as you can see, guys, there is way too much volume right now for this pump, which is already at the top of the candlestick. You can see it's kind of losing its weight. So it does mean that it will keep on dropping, but it does mean that there's way more optimism than negativism right here. So pessimism is not something that is very, very prominent in this current candlestick for the past 4 hours. Let us see. No problem. Should I buy now more? Short term. Sorry for the stupid question. Well, Tatari, this is not a stupid question. It's actually a very smart question. If you're talking about the Shiba Inu, I would wait. I would wait just a bit, because definitely there is a rebound effect after the pump. And I fear that you will be losing out on a discount. Check this out. You can clearly see right now that the pump cannot get to its point right here, the boiling point of 1,000 units. It is currently trying, but it can't. It's like going like this, and then trying real hard, and then it will probably fall. And when it falls, guys, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's gonna hurt so many people. Because, guys, the people at the top that are gonna sell right here, the 1%, those nasty 1%ers, one guy sells like 50K worth of Shiba Inus, boom, it will generate like a slump of 10%, and then the next guy next to it next to that other guy, that has maybe put in like $30,000, he will also sell. So this will generate a towering blast towards almost the rock bottom. And normally, like what you can see is something like this, okay? Like it would be approximately at the previous resistance level that was established right here. And then it might repump. So again, this is what might happen, guys. This is just my opinion. I'm not saying that it will absolutely happen, but it might happen. You do know that I'm an oracle, but my fog of war is only like 7 or 8 days long. Past that, I do not see anything. So let's see here. What are other people asking about the SHIB? Do you think the SHIB will reach 0. No! This question was asked by Gora Vendra. So Gora Vendra, I do not think that it will reach 10 cents. Well, at least not today. It might reach it, but maybe in 1 year, in 2 years, you gotta give it some time, because the Shiba Inu is a spin-off of the Dogecoin, right? And they just want to create this clone, and they want to give out so much money to everyone, and they want everyone to be super rich and billionaires. Well, good luck with that, Good luck with that, because who else is going to take out your garbage? Other billionaires? I don't think so. So, let's see here. Ugraj. So, Coinbase Pro announced SHIB to be listed on Thursday. Yes, absolutely. That is why it might be actually pumping right now. Vitamin C, do you trade daily on Shiba Inu also? Yes, I was, although I switched over to the Venus right now. I'm actually keeping it a bit steady because I have too many videos to create. So I hope that answers your question. All right. So, Tatari, to get back to your question, if you want to buy some more for the short term. So again, wait for it to drop just a bit, because this is going to drop. Probably you're going to come back here in 3 hours. It's going to be already at the 800 units mark. And then if you wait just a bit, it might be actually slumping all the way to the 770 units approximately. Approximately. Oh my God, approximately. I might be wrong, guys. So be very careful with this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is insane. Just try to be comfortable with this. For all of this time, there has been almost no trades. And just right now, you have all of these. Look at this. This is 800, so 8 trillion worth of trades just in one pump right here. And in the red pump, it's another 8 trillion for you. So this is, 16 trillion Shiba Inus exchanged just in a matter of 30 minutes. So guys, there's definitely panic at the top going on. Okay, look at the order books, how filled they are. Like, they're not really moving a lot, right? The order books are stuffed. Look at this. So we're looking at 11. Oh my God, sorry. Let me just try to understand. So we're looking at, just in dollars. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, there is $700,000 until here. So, whoa, that is a lot. That is a lot. And then this is the sell orders. We're looking at $1 million in sales for the Shiba Inus. So you see, there are people that are placing their bets on the table right here for 1.2 million bucks that the Shiba Inu will be hitting a price of 927 units. And this is their sell price. Although, let's just have a look at the actual sell. Yeah, this is the sell book. So you see there's a lot of sales going on. Man, there's definitely resistance at the top. All of these people are actually hoping that this crypto asset will be blasting to these pricings. So you see, this is the most optimist one right here. You got him selling like 2.5 thousand Shiba Inus. No, that's probably dollars. And they're betting that it will get to 1,312 units. So you see, like, the bets are not that high if you check it out. The bets are still at 1.3k units, which is not too much. So let us see on the 1 minute time scale if it's getting bearish. So we're seeing that people are getting a little bit more nervous. At the top, it's trying to kind of sustain itself, but it's on a downtrend, guys. It's on a downtrend. So this is definitely gonna hurt some people. All right. So I don't trust meme coins. Yes, Lavender, that is a very good point, because indeed there's nothing to trust. It's just a meme coin. It is a joke, right? They're just releasing joke coins, and this is what happens. It's an experiment, and we are the mice biting the cheese. Okay, so at this point, again, guys, I will probably be finishing this live chat, live session really soon, but expect this downfall right here. And if you have any questions before I actually stop the live chat, let me answer a bunch of your questions. Okay, so let me just answer a bunch of unrelated questions in that case. Let's see here. So CKB, any info? Let's check it out. Let's check out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, check this out. Check this out. This is going to crash. It's going to crash. Look at this. It's trying to sustain itself. And if we go and zoom in just a little bit, oof, this is going to be a hard fall, guys. So you see the sell cycles are already beginning. And a lot of people are already removing their sell orders. Look at this. Uh-oh. This is the signal, guys, when it's... Look at this. Whoa. 1 second. Let me just... let me just zoom on this thing right here. Oh my God, it's not responding correctly. Okay, let me just do this with the mouse then. Interesting. There's no way. Okay, well, it is not responding correctly to my signals on my screen. Aha, I think I got it. Yeah. All right, perfect. So, you see it's falling. It's falling like crazy. Oof. Oh my God. You are witnessing live a huge dump. Oh my God. So, until where is it gonna dump? This can dump so quickly, guys, in a matter of minutes. People are losing a lot of money. So, my God, this is actually hurting my eyes. So let's see here. Hey Dave, welcome back. So on the other hand, you can still own like $50 of this meme coin when it drops and hold it for years. Even if you lose $50, it's not a big deal on short. Yeah. Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, I think for $50 you can have something like approximately 5 million Shiba Inus, and if one day it gets to $1, then you're a millionaire. But I don't think that will happen. If it is worth $1 down 3 years later in the upcoming future, well, there's gonna be a ton of billionaires out here, tons of them. So let's see. You still get a chance set to profit out of it. Well, I don't know, Dave. I don't know. I would not do that. So let's see. Thanks a lot. Appreciate your time. Yes. No worries, Tatari. So Safe Moon is also another meme coin. Do you think with the launch of the wallet exchange Gambia projects it will ever be taken as a... Well, oh my God, John, that is a really good question. This really depends, of course, on the adoption, because for a crypto to be serious, just like the Polygon, the Polkadot, the Bakery Swap, all of these projects, they have serious investors, and as long as you have these huge VC backers, then you have credibility building up throughout time, and then it becomes a serious project if it has tons of followers and on Twitter and other websites. If there's a lot of updates, a clear white paper with tons of details for upcoming investors, then sure. But it definitely needs to gain a lot of institutional investor attention to become serious projects. That's the thing. Oh, hello, VJ, another Patreoner with us. Yes, we got John and VJ. Absolutely cool. So, hey guys, hey Patreoners, thank you so much for supporting the Crypto Intel family that is growing like crazy. All right, so it's just $50 though. Yeah, absolutely, Nor. I agree with you, Dave. $50 is nothing. Then in that case, put in $1,000 while you still can. That way you will, squeeze a little bit more juice out of it. So ICP, huh? Well, let's just have a look at how the Shiba Inu is faring. So you see, it's really actually going through this unfortunate slump right now. As I did tell you guys, this was inevitable. Absolutely, absolutely. Look at this. So imagine that we're looking at the Burj Dubai right now. So you got this huge, end, like the roof, and then you have the antenna right here. So this definitely dumped like crazy. This is a huge signal for the bulls right now, because they tried to bull it out right here, although it didn't work, and it's re-dropping like crazy. So unfortunately, it looks like it is going to redump. Yep. You see, it's currently trading on a downward trend, unfortunately. And you can see it twitching, and people are not wanting to let go because there's a lot of money in stake, right? Oh, shit. I'm sorry. But there's so much money that is being lost right now because a few people are actually doing the sales trading. Check this out. All of these right here, all of these orders going through, they're confirmed orders of sales, the red ones. And then you got the green ones, which are confirmed orders of purchases. So you can see here 5.7 million Shiba Inus were purchased. Here 6 million. So that's approximately like, $50 approximately. I'm not too sure, but yeah. So it doesn't look too good for the Shiba Inu pump. It's basically dying out simply because we had these double tests already. So let me just unzoom a little here. Crap, it doesn't work with the fingertips, huh? All right, whatever. So I'll just zoom out this way here. All right, so whoa, that is quite an elevated pump, and there's a lot of place to fall. Guys, once this thing breaks 900, it is gonna fall like a rocket ship. Okay, so it's trying to, it's like dingling in there. it's trying not to touch the 900, but it's like fire, And imagine like you got fire underneath your legs, and you're like just trying to jump, just not to lose your money and not get burned by the fire. But unfortunately, look, it's touching 900 again. And oh my God, like if I go on the 1 minute candlestick view, it doesn't look too good. It looks like it's accelerating toward the end. It just has to break the 899 mark, and then it's gonna dump like crazy because it will dig itself a new hole. Ah, there it is. So there's the hole. Oh my God. So if it keeps on dumping like this, okay, people are seeing it maybe as a discount. So there's, as you can see, a lot of different signals happening in the brains of so many people that are currently trading. Remember, guys, the trade volume is huge. It's huge. There's a lot of people sitting and trading this token right now. So $358 million for the past 24 hours. That is 43 quadrillion Shiba Inus. So that is huge. So right now, if we actually look at the volume, just to see how much Shiba Inu, see, it's like the 8th most traded token right now on Binance. So definitely it is gaining attention. It is more traded than the Cardano today. Let this sink in your heads, guys. The Cardano being so popular, yet the Shiba Inu is still super popular. That's crazy, right? Like it trumps, the Chainlink plus the Solana. This is crazy. And this is a meme coin. Remember about that. Remember. Whew. So there's definitely a lot of space to fall for this poor little doggy here. It has pumped like crazy, and it will be falling probably, unfortunately, as you see. It's hitting new lows, 9.7. So this is new lows. And once this accelerates, guys, oh my God, can you just calculate how many millions of dollars will be lost? Oh, it's accelerating right now. Oof. And you know what? There are probably people, remember, someone asked me, is it a good time to buy now? I told him no. I think it was Jesus, right? Was it Jesus asking me if it's a good time to buy? Let me see here. Let's see here. There you go. It was Tatari. Or maybe no, it was not Tatari. Let me see here. Anyways, someone basically asked, is it a good time to purchase it? Okay. Yeah, good job, good job. Well, if it was you that asked it, you Gray, well, in that case, good job, because unfortunately, evened out my investment. Okay. Yeah. Well, this is unfortunate. Definitely unfortunate. Like for the people trying to get in on this acceleration towards the race towards the bottom, like never mind, guys. Like you are not gonna recoup. You're not gonna recoup. Look at this. Oh my god. Jesus. And you see, I wouldn't have been honest with you guys if I would tell you, yeah, purchase it. It's still gonna pump. That would be really a dishonest thing to say. Because I know from my experience that when there's a pump like this and then it retests here at the top multiple times, it's gonna dump. I'm not saying it's gonna dump all the way through. I'm just saying that it's gonna dump. Now, there are definitely limits to the dump. It might dump to approximately its leg. And if it does, guys, if it does dump to its leg, then that means that it is a pump and dump. It means that someone purchased it just to get it at a cheaper price. So, yep. Now it's gonna be a rocket ship acceleration, guys. Oh my god. Now this is a rocket ship acceleration. It's now gonna test this level right here. So this is its previous support level for the dump. This was the minimal level all the way from the antenna top to the baseline resistance. Support level right here. So let's see if it crosses it. So you see it's kind of dancing, and it might actually grow to the previous support level right here at 903, and then it might reslump. So yeah, so it's growing it again. So now it will be trying itself towards the 900. So this is the most dangerous point. We're looking at the top of this thing. It's definitely dangerous to invest at these precise moments. So let's see if you have any questions right now for me. Let's see. Shiba Coinbase listing. Yes, Farouk. Definitely it's coming up, and this is why it probably bumped like crazy. This is what probably happened because of the Coinbase listing. This is generating this huge mega pump, but unfortunately there's gonna be a lot of losers right now. Unfortunately, guys, because it's gonna dump yet again, but don't worry, it will repump. I'm telling you guys in this video right here that I made 15 days ago that probably by the this is the June prediction, so probably by the end of June we're gonna see a 2,400 Shiba Inu. So it's not the good time to buy it right now. You just have to wait a little bit. So since it's obvious that it's going to crash, one might short it with 100x leverage, but how? Hey, Emre, that's a really good question. I don't know if you need to use leverage for this. You can simply wait for it to hit the leg right here, approximately at 774, and already there, if you do a small calculation, let me do this live for you guys. So 747, like the airplane, and divide that by let's see here, 898. So we're looking holy so -1, so we're looking at a 16% dump in the coming minutes, maybe even in the coming day. Wow, I really effed up my trading view. 1 second, let me just put, yeah, there you go. This is my original view. So check this out. Let me just go for the, yeah, okay. So you're seeing the slump right here. It is incredible. It already tested twice. So look at this, 1 and 2. So this is definitely a very bad sign for the Shiba Inu. It might keep on falling, but you do see that there's a lot of resistance. If you have a look at this candlestick right here, you're seeing that it's made like this, right? So people don't want it to fall. People are actually supporting it right here below the body of the candlestick. So there's like support. There's support for it not to fall. But unfortunately, guys, it doesn't look like this support is gonna handle it. You know, there's a lot of pumps and dumps that I was analyzing throughout the 4 years I was trading, and it happens all the time. Like you can consistently see it happening. For example, here you see it happened. Like we're looking at approximately an 8-hour pump right there. So and then it dumped all the way to the 80% mark approximately. So, this happens consistently, guys. It happens and happens and happens. And, what is to follow is basically dependent on the current feeling of the market. And right now, well, you gotta look at the different market cycles that people are looking at when they're trading. The market cycles are the candles. So I'm currently on the 4-hour market cycle, and you can see that there are the cycles, and they're very, very evident, like right here, and then right here, and then you got another one right here, and then another one right here. You see, they're almost all equal. And this is what traders live by. So there's definitely a brand new cycle that is generating itself, and it will be short-lived for approximately like 4 days. So this is definitely something that you have to be careful with. It's probably going to do this right here until it tests itself right here. So it might rebump, and then it will generate curiosity at an accelerating pace. So this would definitely be an interesting event to watch. But yeah, unfortunately, it is not faring too well. You can clearly see that past the explosion, we have a very bearish approach already, and it will just accelerate, and maybe it will repump right here and then decelerate and repump, and it will do so until it hits the 80% mark. So basically this is what I'm seeing, guys. Let me see if you have any questions right here. So do you think we'll see another pump on Thursday when it gets listed on Coinbase? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Ugraj, this is a very good point. So definitely a good thing to watch out for. Definitely. But if you want to not miss out on that listing, in that case, just get it at its leg when it's gonna hit like 790 or 700, and 50 or something like that. So that would be a really good idea. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, Ugraj, so be sure to take your own decisions and ask your grandmother. You know what to do, right? So let's see here. Almost Invincible is asking, should I sell and buy again? Well, I told this approximately 5 minutes ago, or maybe 10 minutes ago, that yes, you should absolutely sell at the top and buy again at the bottom when you're hitting the leg, or at least when you have the impression of hitting the leg. So let's see. Farouk is asking, once India COVID fund dump another 10 trillion coin, can the price go below? Well, Farouk, I have no idea what you're talking about. So I cannot reply to you. Maybe you can refer with a link or something. Let's see here. Can I get your opinion on Matic trading sideways today and not really getting above the previous high? Yes, I will be talking about the Matic in just a second because we don't have any more questions about the Shiba Inu, and I will be finishing this live stream in just a moment after I answer the Matic question. So again, what is my opinion on the Matic and why is it really not getting above the previous high? So let me see here. Let's go to the Matic. All right, the Matic, and let's check it out. So, darn, yeah, there's a lot of things going on right here. So, one thing that is very important is to spot how weak this pump is. You see, this one is super strong. This one was a little bit less stronger, and then this one is weakening. So you got, like by comparison, you got a mega pump, super strong. You got a little weaker pump, and then you got a weaker pump. So this is definitely going to blast off to the 1.3 approximately mark. So this is what's gonna happen approximately. Don't comment if it did not hit exactly 1.3. Okay. This is very, very approximate. So definitely, it's going through a bunch of phases, but this is what's probably going to happen. You're going to have this very, very slow recovery until probably another pump right here. It's just growing. You see, like it's following this. Is it DEM? Yeah, EMA 99. So it's following the EMA 99 trace, and it's probably going to bounce off like this on and off. So we're gonna see. There's still a lot to check out with the Polygon Matic. I hope this answers your question. Let's see here. All right, sure, no worries. All right, guys, so it looks like you don't have any more questions regarding the Shiba Inu, and it has been 15 minutes that I have been blabbing along here, so I'm starting to miss out on saliva already, so I'll need to, repack just a bit. All right, so let's see here. We got a bunch of more questions. Shiba Inu coin was donated to, okay, the India. Yes, of course. You're talking about Vitalik's donation. Yeah, I think he donated like a huge sum, right? Um, I don't think it was 5%. It was like way more than that. All right, so yes, no worries, Yugraj. So I have no idea how it will influence it. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, I have no clue. So anyways, guys, if you find my content useful, be sure to check out my Patreon. And again, thank you to the 2 Patreoners that came in. I think we had, let's see here. Oh my God, I do not remember. Yeah, well, we had the VJ for sure. And we also had John, yeah, from memory, John and VJ. So, guys, when can we expect me? Okay, got it. So, when do you want me to? Well, I guess it might be a little bit later today. I will be doing a live stream, maybe, if I'm not too tired, because there's so many things to do. And tomorrow, of course, I'll be doing a live stream. I'll try to do it once a day if I have some time, but I'm mainly focusing on generating like 10 videos again per day. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for being part of this super cool live stream. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for being part of the Crypto Intel community. Hugs, everyone. Much love and hugs. All right, I'm ending the stream. Goodbye, everyone. Until next time.